Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to show you a mixed reality prototype for cars. We used Unreal Engine 5 to develop this prototype. This prototype is running on MetaQuest 3. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, which is Delhitechnologyclub. Hit the like button and the bell icon to stay updated. The first demo featuring the red SUV offers a clever solution for showroom displays. By using virtual cars instead of physical ones, we can free up valuable space and create a modern, tech-savvy atmosphere for customers. This is cool, right? I can show this car anywhere in this way, and you can see that this is my own home, and I am easily able to display it here. And here you can see that I am at an event, and even here, I can easily display the car. Imagine how convenient this will be for the customer. The second demo showcases an interactive 3D tutorial for car mechanics. This cutting-edge tool provides a hands-on learning experience, teaching them the precise method for removing a car tire and revolutionizing their training process. That's it for today, guys. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, which is Delhi Technology Club. Until then, goodbye.